Good morning, everybody. This is Mare from Okey-Dokey Homestead. Well, Happy New Year. 2018 is here, and we're waking up to a wet and cold day. I'm in the chicken coop right here, getting them organized, getting them fed. As you can see, I have all the drapes down with the heat lamps going, so that way they'll stay nice and warm and somewhat dry. We're going to go out now that I've got done feeding them. There they are. So I gave them some corn this morning, so that way they could stay nice and warm. I hear that corn is good for the chickens when it's cold, because it gives them the extra energy. Okay, I'm stepping out. We'll close them up. There is our day. See, it's nice and gloomy, but that's okay. It's still a beautiful day. Still a beautiful day. So there's our new bale of hay we got yesterday, being I know that there was going to be a cold front coming in. I know, again, also with the cows. That way they'll stay nice and warm. Alrighty. Let me go check out to see if Sarah Lou and Snowy are done eating, so I could open up the gate for Snowy to let them out. Not too much is happening here at the Okey-Dokey Homestead, except for the rain today. Well, I hope everybody out there had a very happy New Year's Eve. I hope everybody stayed safe and everybody's doing well. Things here on the Okey-Dokey Homestead is fine. Everybody have a wonderful, happy New Year day. I hope you have a very blessed day and hope to see you soon again. But like I said, see, nothing's happening, so I'm going to make it short. But I did want to tell everybody Happy New Year. Bye-bye.